This video introduces you to the Internet, its business uses, and how ISPs interconnect. Although we frequently use the Internet to IM friends, download music, and watch videos, many businesses depend on the Internet for e-commerce, communications, collaboration, and training. First, let's define the Internet. It's a worldwide, publicly accessible network of networks. It enables individuals and businesses alike through interconnected computer networks to share information, resources, and services. Networking and the Internet depend on standards to ensure that all devices connecting to the network use the same set of rules. This means that different types of devices can send information to each other over the Internet. The Internet standards are a result of discussion, problem solving, and testing. When a new standard is proposed, each stage of the development and approval process is recorded in a numbered Request for Comments or RFC document so that the evolution of the standard can be tracked. As you will recall, an ISP is necessary for an individual or business to connect to the Internet. The ISP offers additional services such as equipment co-location, web hosting, FTP hosting, technical support, voice over IP, applications, and media hosting. In order to provide these services, highly trained network professionals are needed. Home and small networks connect to an ISP via dial-up, DSL, or cable modems. As you might expect, larger businesses typically require more bandwidth and higher speed connections, such as T1E1s, T3E3, or Metro Ethernet. These higher bandwidth requirements cost more, but business requirements make that cost necessary. So you may be asking yourself, how do the different ISPs talk to each other? Because if your colleague has a different ISP than you have, how do they interconnect? Well, ISPs gain access to each other's networks and exchange information at an Internet Exchange Point, or IXP. The Internet backbone is made up of a group of networks owned by various organizations, interconnected via IXPs and private peering connections. In addition to accepting input from end users and having connections to other ISPs, an ISP must also be able to handle large volumes of traffic. Other considerations of an ISP include power conditioning equipment with substantial battery backup to maintain continuity if the main power grid fails, and high-capacity air conditioning units to maintain controlled temperatures. You can see the need for a skilled network operating center team is clear. Although it seems that ISPs are all about equipment, in reality, they're all about the human network. People use the networks, and people make sure the standards, equipment, and network applications are maintained. ISPs must assure a reliable, scalable network. Therefore, they need support teams staffed by highly trained personnel, from the planning and provisioning of new equipment and circuits, to network repair and maintenance personnel, to excellent troubleshooters with good customer service skills. We hope this production helps you understand the importance of ISPs to businesses and how network engineers provide support services which are involved in all aspects of network management.